Moy, for today's review series part 2, let's talk about family, prices, and physical and mental states. Let's start with family. So, Mika, family on Suomeksi. Family in Finnish is perhe. So, ano-ano yung mga members ng family in Finnish? Ang ating lola. Lola is isu, äiti. Ang lolo is isu, isa. Ang ating mother, mama or madir is äiti. Paano pag ang ating tatay or erpats? It's isa. Ang ating kapatid na lalaki is veli. Ang kapatid na babae is sisko. Ano ang cousin? Or cousin in Finnish. It is sirko. And ang maganda nating tita is tatu. Ang uncle is dalawa yan. Eno and seta. Ang eno is uncle mo on your mother's side. And then ang seta is uncle mo on your father's side. And let's also proceed with relationships. So, husband is mies. Ang wife is vaimo. Ang girlfriend is tyttö, ystävä. Ang boyfriend is poika, ystävä. Sa relationship status, single is singko. Married is naimisisa. Cohabitation or living in is avo, liitos. Pag divorced, it is erono. Let's proceed to prices. So, there are 3 ways to ask how much is this in Finnish. Ano yung mga yon? Is paljon, x maksa. Paljon, x on. Or mita, x max. And when it comes to prices, lagi nating tandaan na, for example, ang price ng isang bagay is 1 euro is, sabihin natin, x euro. Pero pag more than 1 euro is, example, 3 euro is 3 euro. So, example, ito, 20 pilko 16. So, wag na nating sabihin na kaksikimenta erua kusitoista sentia. Pwedeng basahin na lang natin ng kaksikimenta kusitoista. No need na sabihin yung erua or sentia. Pag 20 cents, kaksikimenta sentia. Tandaan natin na pag 1 is hindi tayo magpa-partitive. General rule yan. And then pag more is, doon na tayo mag-apply ng partitive. Example, 1 euro, x euro. 10 euro, 10 euro. Our next topic is physical and mental states. So, parang paborito nilang tanungin sa atin yan. So, pag sumasagot tayo ng physical and mental states, ang ginagamit nating clause dyan is always possessive clause. So, mulaon, sulaon, helaon, telaon, nilaon, maylaon. Laging ganun yun. And pag gumamit tayo ng possessive clause is fixed yan. Hindi pwedeng mawala yung on. So, my mother has a beautiful t-shirt. Yung idila on kaunis paita. I have a fever. Mulaon komenta. Jane has a flu. So, Yanela on flunsa. Mike has a diabetes. So, Michaela on diabetes. I have a flu. So, mula on flunsa. So, example, Annie has a broken arm. So, paano natin yan ita-transform? Paano mo sasabihin yan? So, Annela on kasi murtunod. Pag gutom tayo is mulaon nalka. Pag gusto nating uminom na uho tayo, mulaon, yan. So, tandaan natin, pag physical and mental states is kailangan nasa possessive clause. Thanks for watching. Titus Concatsoid, Nadantas, Moy Moy. See you on part 3.